Now for our feature story of the day, $300,000 in play, according to this top analyst. So I want to break down his TA and how he gets to $300,000 Bitcoin price next year in 2025. As you can see here in the headline, top trader delivers epic Bitcoin price prediction, 300 G's. Yes, please. So we're talking about Gert van Lagen, well-known TA analyst, says there's a good chance Bitcoin will surge in price by over 472% next year. Hey, now, can't wait. And I just switch it up for you. Maybe can read better this way. So here we go. As the trader explains in his post, the major crypto, referring to Bitcoin, currently shows a step-like formation, a pattern which is characterized by a series of price consolidations followed by upwards movements, resembling steps in an ascending trend. Amid this formation, which looks a bit like a famous cup and handle bull pattern, and I shared with you the infamous weekly cup and handle pattern sitting at 124,000 earlier in the stream. Remember that? He spots an ascending broadening wedge at a potential pre-breakout stage. This technical pattern is worth paying attention to because it breaks to the upside 79% of the time, according to Van Lagen. And 67% of the time, it leads to a continuation of the prior trend. Let's go. So based on this analysis, the target price for Bitcoin set by the trader is an impressive 300,000 per coin, which is a 472% increase from the current levels. This price target shows how much potential there is for growth, which fits Van Lagen's optimistic view of the future of cryptocurrency. Now, as you know, today we conquered 66,000, which is a local high we haven't seen in quite some time. And also, I want to point out that we hit price discovery back in mid-March of this year. We hit 73.8, and that was for the first time in Bitcoin history. We entered a new all-time high pre-halving. Typically, it's always post-halving. However, we immediately corrected from there, and we went all the way down to more recently 49,000 a few weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, which is the new local bottom. I believe the bottom is in for the cycle. I do believe it's that target, and I do think we go onwards and upwards from here, considering we're only a few days away from October and Q4, and we do have some bullish targets in play, including the 125,000 cup and handle. But my personal prediction, I'll leave you with this. I believe we can potentially hit 125,000 this year. Fourth quarter, maybe November, maybe December, maybe October. I don't know, but I do think it'll be Q4. And then I think the following year, the cycle peak will hit because history has shown us it's always the year preceding the halving, which is when we hit the all-time high. And again, even though we hit it pre-halving, it was barely any higher than the 69,000 previous all-time high we achieved back on November 10th of 2021. You guys remember that. So I think this year, 125, easy peasy target. I think in 2025, we hit the cycle peak, and I think that cycle peak can be anywhere from 222,000 as high as 750,000. I know that's a very wide range of $500,000 to play with, but that's my personal prediction. I've covered Plan B, creator of the Bitcoin stock to flow model. Recently, he shared a scenario where we hit $1 million next year in 2025. His personal prediction is 500,000 per coin between 2024 and 2028, which is right in alignment with my target as well. Because again, 222, 750, 500,000 is right dead in the middle. But you let me know your thoughts, family. Do you think we'll likely hit that six-figure target this year in 2024? And what do you think the cycle peak will be? And do you think the cycle peak will be next year, as history has always shown us? Or do you think we could potentially hit the cycle peak fourth quarter, right around the corner? Either way, let me know your thoughts, and I'm going to read your comments out loud. Welcome, everyone, to the Q&A segment of the live stream.